Jed here to discuss how to grant technician groups permission to deploy a calling card using LogMeIn Rescue's admin portal. The calling card is a lightweight app installed directly on your customers' devices, allowing them to start a support session with a single click. No website or extra steps are required. It appears as a brand desktop icon, always ready when they need help. View a link in the description to learn more about other LogMeIn Rescue content, such as how to generate a calling card and how to assign a calling card installer to a technician group. You must be a rescue admin or master admin to grant technician groups permission to deploy calling cards. The Rescue Admin Center portal can be accessed at this site. I've already signed in as the Rescue Center Master Admin Lance Bingham. Take note that I zoomed in on my screen for this video, so your screen may look a bit different. Begin by clicking the menu button. Select Admin Center. Prior to this video, I created new calling cards. To begin, select the technician group heading on the left side of your screen. If you are not there already, select the Organization tab. Scroll the screen down, and within the Permissions section, locate Deploy the Calling Card. Click that. After doing so, the Allow Service Mode option appears. Please note, select this mode if you want to run the calling card as a Windows service. This option is available starting with calling card version 7.51.1043. Once finished, scroll the page down. Click Save Changes. That's all there is to permit technician groups to deploy the calling cards in the LogMeIn Rescue Admin portal. Thanks for watching the video. I've added links to additional videos about LogMeIn Rescue features. Be sure to subscribe to our channel.